What's up everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi icon not showing in the taskbar on Windows. So first, simply make sure the icon isn't hidden. So to check, simply right click the taskbar, then go to taskbar settings. So from here, simply make sure the network icon is turned on. Now next, you can also try restarting the Windows Explorer process by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape at the same time. This is then going to open the Task Manager. From there, you then have to find Windows Explorer, then right-click it and select Restart. Now, if it's still missing, you can also check that your network adapter is enabled. So to check, simply press Windows plus X at the same time, then go to Device Manager, then Network Adapters. From here, you then have to right-click your Wi-Fi adapter. And if it's disabled, you then have to choose Enable. So after these steps, the Wi-Fi icon should reappear in the taskbar, letting you connect to networks normally again. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.